Hello, aspiring computer software professional. This is Alok Singh, Assistant Professor, School of Management Sciences, Lucknow. Today in this session, I am going to tell you some highlights of BCA programs in SMS Lucknow. BCA program is an undergraduate program in the field of computer application. It is one of the highly sought after course. It is affiliated to Lucknow University. It is a specialization course that provides fastest entry to the IT industry. BCA course also caters the need of banking sector, IT enabled services, BPOs, and for the various jobs in public and private sectors. A student who enters for BCA gets substantial training in the fundamental of information technology, microprocessor, algorithms, DBMS, operating systems, and various programming languages like C, C++, .NET, Java, and so on. So this BCA program is designed with a special focus on current computer applications. Currently, BCA is a 3-year, 6-semester full-time program. The BCA program aims to develop ability to interact with real-life situations and to build systems that can be efficiently processed on computers. The eligibility to undertake BCA program is that you must pass senior secondary 10+2 examinations with PCM discipline from any recognized board. BCA, as it stands for Bachelor in Computer Application, is designed with special focus on current computer applications. Nowadays, we have seen noticeable rapid growth in IT industry, especially in India, and this increasing growth has created a lot of opportunities for computer graduates. People who are interested in computers can surely go for this course. A student can end up being very successful after completing the course. Now I will tell you some of the specific information about BCA programs, especially related to SMS Lucknow. BCA program of SMS Lucknow is affiliated to Lucknow University. So you will get 3 years bachelor degree after the completion of the course. At SMS Lucknow, you will find highly qualified and dedicated faculty who will work throughout the year for your successful career, who will teach you almost about everything related to computer science and its applications. Apart from faculty, you will get advanced computer labs with most modern facilities including local area network and broadband internet connection, and guest lectures from best of the professionals from the IT industry are also being provided by School of Management Sciences, Lucknow. Here you will get some value added courses like Cisco Certified Network Associate Certification, that is CCNA, from Cisco Networking Academy, and Microsoft Technology Services from Microsoft Technology. In BCA program, you will have certain computer labs related to your programming. These are Computer Applications Lab, Professional Communication Lab, C, C++ Programming Lab, Data Structure Lab, DBMS, RDBMS Lab, You will also have AI lab, Java lab, Unix lab, digital electronics lab, microprocessor lab. Now I will tell you USP of BCA program. BCA program provides you placement for the eligible students. You will also get career guidance and placement training, continuous assessment and reporting of student performance, industrial visit and job training. You will get good number of books for your reading in the print format as well as online and e-format, electronic format. You will also get an opportunity to participate in various academic, sports, curricular and co-curricular activities. You will also get add-on courses for development of your overall personality and performance. SMS Lucknow also conducts employability enhancement program for their BCA students that enhance their technical knowledge, business awareness, spoken English, communication skills, dressing sense and appearance, body language, positive and constructive attitude, resume preparation, group discussion, personal interviews, effective presentations. Now, question is that what are the career opportunities after BCA? After completing your BCA, you can be appointed as a software engineer, software testers, database administrator, information system management professional, system administrator, system security professional, software architect, software project manager, and nowadays there are many more emerging positions in the emerging technology area such as AI, data science and machine learning. These are some of our recruiters who come for placement activities and conduct interviews for our students. These are Tech Mahindra, IBM, Microsoft, Birlasoft, Infosys, TCS, Accenture, Amazon and many more. For any further query and to clarify your doubts and any other questions, you can contact Dr. SAA Rizvi, who is heading our BCA program. His mobile number and email ID is also given there. You can also contact Mr. Alok Singh. His mobile number is also given here and email ID is also given. So we are looking forward to you for giving us an opportunity to shape your career and launch you people as a successful IT professional in the IT industry. And with these words, I would like to conclude this session.